Presenting the Plantinda web application. Plantinda is an e-commerce site for plants that focuses on business-to-business transactions. Before we can do anything in the system, we need first to create our account. We can choose to be a buyer or seller. For now, let's choose to be a seller. Click sign up, and that will automatically log us into the system. When we click on a specific plant, it will take us to the product page where we can see the store name, the product name, the rating, the available units, the product details, and the different prices. When we click this button, that will add this specific product to our wish list. If we see our wish list page, we can see that it's now in here. If we want to buy the product, we can either click add to cart or buy now. Buy now immediately takes us to the checkout page, but add to cart, we can check out the product later on. So if we want to buy, for example, 14 units of this product, we are going to have to choose this price because it's the appropriate price for that quantity range. So let's input 14 and click add to cart. It's going to say it's added to cart. If we check our cart, we can see that it's now in there. It shows us the quantity times unit price, the shipping. Of course, this is just a sample data, so it's not accurate shipping price, and the total price. We can delete this cart item or we can check that out. Let's click checkout, and that's going to take us to the checkout page where we will be asked our address information and we will be presented the order summary. So if everything is correct, we can click checkout, and that will create the order and give us an invoice of the order. We can download or print this invoice this way. We can save as PDF or we can print it. If we check our orders page, we can now see that the order was added in here. If we receive the product, we can click receive, and that will complete the status of the order. We can also undo that if we made a mistake. We can sort by pending or completed. So right now we have no completed orders. So if we are a seller and we want to sell our products in this website, we can create our own product in here. But first, we need to create our store before we can upload any product. We can add a business permit. A business permit is required in order for the store to be verified. Let's choose this. And then click save. And that will create our store for us. We can see or edit the store information in here. So now let's add our own product. Click add product. The first unit price, min quantity, and max quantity is required. So if we neglect to put anything in there and click save, that's going to show us an error. It's going to tell us that these fields are required. Same with shipping price, the number of units available, and product photo. For the number of units available, for example, let's input 500 in here. Every time someone orders this specific product, the order quantity will be automatically deducted from the number of units available. So for example, someone orders 50, 50 will be deducted to 500, which will make that 450 automatically. Click save. Now we have our own product in here. We can edit that or delete that. Let's see the home page, and we can see that now our plant is already posted in here. We can also search products. So let's search spider. There you go. Or fern. There you go. And we can also sort products. So we can sort by the category or the rating or the price or by newest, by best rating, by price from low to high, and by price from high to low. We can also comment on products. So we can only comment on products that we have already bought. So let's click received in here so that our order is completed. And then let's go to that specific product, which is this one. We can now see an option to create a review. So let's create a review. Click submit. Hit refresh. Now we can see our review in here. So the rating of the product is an average of all the ratings that was given to it. So if we edit this and put 1 in here, we can see that that will become 3 stars rather than 4 stars because the 1 star affected the average rating. We can also contact sellers. So let's contact this seller. So these are the parts of the message. We have the recipient and subject, body, and the subject product. So then hit send. The seller of that specific product will be able to see that message. So let's log out this account and log into the seller of this product, which is Kitty. Dashboard and messages. In here we can see the message that was sent to us by Jose Rizal. So if we click on that, we can see the subject and body and sender of the message. We can reply to that, click send, and so let's log this out and then go back to Jose Rizal's account. Dashboard, messages. Here we can see the reply that was sent to us from the seller, which is Hello Kitty. Here you go. And that's it for Plantinda. Thank you very much.